Hello, welcome to Gadget Expert, your phone repair specialist. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to ask for assistance about my new phone.
Yes, what's the problem, sir?
Actually, 2 days ago, I have brought a new phone from the store. But unfortunately, I brought my phone and it doesn't want to light up. It only displays a blank screen.
Oh, in that case, can I check your phone real quick?
Sure.
So, as you can see, your phone is turning on after it is connected to the power source, but it only displays a blank screen. The screen also cracked. The problem must be the damaged LCD display.
Oh my, I thought it just a minor damage.
So, do you want to replace the broken LCD display?
Yes, but does the warranty cover my phone in this situation?
No, the warranty does not cover unless the screen is damaged as a result of a manufacturing defect.
Okay, let's proceed to replace the LCD.
Alright, you can pick up your phone tomorrow because there are still many phones pending to be repaired.
Alright.
The next day.
Hello, have you finished fixing my phone?
Yes, your phone is ready.
So how much do I need to pay?
I replaced the LCD and new screen. The total will be 150, sir.
Can I ask you what is so expensive?
It is because not many people use your phone model, so it's hard to find your spare part. Plus, your phone get extra service such as internal and external billing.
Oh, wow, now I think it's quite worth it.
Yes, here we offer the more reasonable price among all the stock.
Here, got the play. By the way, do you repair any other gadgets such as laptop?
Yes, we also repair PC, laptop, and other phone brands and models.
Oh, I see. I will come here again if there is anything need to be fixed. Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye.